Japan's transport authorities on Wednesday launched full-scale investigation into the cause of a collision between a Japan Coast Guard aircraft and a Japan Airlines passenger plane at Tokyo's Haneda Airport on Tuesday evening. All 379 people aboard the JAL plane, an Airbus A350, were able to evacuate safely, though 14 injured. 5 of the 6 people on the Coast Guard plane were confirmed dead, with the captain surviving but suffering severe injuries. The Japan Transport Safety Board, the government-affiliated agency in charge of probing serious accidents involving airplanes, trains, and ships, began an on-site investigation earlier Wednesday, after having sent 6 inspectors to the scene on Tuesday night. The aircraft's manufacturer, Airbus, also said it would send a team of experts to assist the investigation. At present, the JTSB has recovered the flight and voice recorders of the Coast Guard plane but is still searching for the equipment from the JAL flight.